In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Steam Workshop collection. If you've ever wanted a single place to organize your favorite mods, maps, or add-ons for a specific game, a workshop collection is the way to go. It keeps everything tidy, makes sharing easier, and helps you manage content for yourself, your friends, or your game server. Start by opening the Steam client. At the top, head to the Community tab and select Workshop. This is where all user-created content lives. From here, focus on the game you want to build a collection for. You can type its name into the search bar or pick it from your library's list of supported titles. Choosing the correct game ensures the items you add are compatible and show up where they should. Next, it's time to create the collection. Look for the Browse drop-down in the Workshop page for your game. Click it, and select Collections. On the right side, you'll see a button labeled Create Collection. Click that, and you'll be taken to a setup page. Now configure the details. Give your collection a clear descriptive title so others immediately understand its purpose. Follow that with a helpful description. Explain what the collection includes, who it's for, and any notes users should know. Upload a branding image to make it recognizable at a glance. A simple high-contrast image works best and keeps your collection looking professional. Then select the categories that fit your content. For example, if you are preparing a set of mods for a game server, choose Server Content. Picking the right categories helps people discover your collection and understand how it should be used. With the basics set, add items. Browse or search the game's workshop. And on each item you want, click Add to Collection. You can include things you've already subscribed to or favorited, which makes building a trusted list quicker. Take a moment to read item descriptions and check compatibility notes so your collection feels cohesive and reliable. When you are satisfied, click Save and continue to move through the setup screens. You'll be asked to choose visibility. Select Public if you want anyone to find and use your collection, or Friends, only if you are keeping it within your circle. Once everything looks good, click Publish. Steam will process your collection and make it available based on the visibility you selected. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.